Hola, Mrs. Bass here with instructions for today. Today, for your actividad inicial, don't forget to report your attendance here. For your actividad inicial, you're going to this photo. And I recorded a question in this photo. You need to listen to the question and answer accordingly. To answer, you're going to click reply. And then you're going to record your answer. You should be familiar with this. You click right here, upload, record, then record, and it gives you the option here to start recording. You see how the microphone is working because this thing is moving. You start recording, gives you the countdown, record, finish, save, and it'll be posted when you click post. All right, that's for your actividad inicial. After that, you're going to complete this activity. Now, this activity is a Google Doc. You open the Google Doc. Here's the instructions. You're going to make a copy of this document. You click File, make a copy. You name it with your name. And then you have your own copy. Once you have your own copy, you're going to be able to edit this document. You can even take this off if you want. Doesn't matter. This is a conversation. You are going to complete what is supposed to be on the blanks. So for example, Graciela is asking, ¿qué te gusta hacer? It says right here, the prompt, but ¿qué te gusta hacer? So Sarah is going to answer, but she's not just going to, like, you're not going to complete this only just because of what you think she answered, but because what comes next. So you need to make this conversation in the way that it makes sense and is coherent. So you need to read all that is written there to be able to figure out what goes on the line. And what we're going to do is we're going to get in the chat and we're going to put our answers there, and I will tell you your answer is correct or incorrect so you can have a good grade in this. So we complete this. I give you some time to complete it. Then we go over the answers and then you can submit it. You're going to submit the document right here in the space provider right here. And that's for 100 points. After that, you're going to complete your prueba 1A3 and 1A4. This is about infinitives. Just read the question and then click the correct answer. And it has two sections. The first section is multiple choice. In this one, you actually have to type sentences. Follow the directions that I gave you here to type sentences. You're looking, I put a little like a frowny face or a smiley face. So you know you're going to say I like or I dislike. You have to type the complete sentence, start with a capital and with a period. And you're going to write complete phrases for this. You see the activity, make a sentence, make a statement with the activity, and then you submit. That's your quiz. Next class, we're going to have our final assessment for this chapter. So please be prepared. Once you finish completing your activities for today, I need you to start practicing your vocabulary, study your notes about grammar and all the stuff so you're ready for your quiz, for your test. All right. I'll see you in class. Hasta pronto.